guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing Slime Collection 2018. I did promise you guys this video today, so I'm doing a video every single day of this whole month and whole year. But today we are going to be doing my Slime Collection 2018. And if you want to be part of the TGSM Slimy Squad, you gotta subscribe to this channel, follow my socials, and follow me TikTok and Snapchat, which is part of my socials. It'll be in the description down below. And comment down below with your YouTube channel so I can subscribe to it. And yeah. So today is currently 9:23, and yeah. So let's get started the video. Okay, here's this one. This one is milk, cereal milk. Some days I might upload 2 videos, but some days I won't, so yeah. This is a weird setup today, guys, because my phone is charging right now. I'm gonna get a camera soon, so we don't have to be in a weird setup and a tripod. What the heck? Guys, what the heck is this? Oh my god, it's a price tag. My other ones I just got instant snow. Some of them are, one of them is Cloud Summer, one of them is Zombies, and yeah. So this is the milk, cereal milk slime. So let's do some ASMR. Let's move it over here more. You see now? A little better. So it's a lot sticky, guys. So this is my personal batch. If you guys want to see me do a slime restock at my slime shop at my school, on my slime shop, I will do that. So yeah, this video has to get 23 views if they want to see, no, 23 likes if you guys want to see me do my slime restock on my slime shop. So I'll have over 20 of those slime restocks, sorry, I feel like slime restock like 24/7, but if you guys like my channel, subscribe to it, and you can be part of the TGSM squad down below in the description. Comment if you subscribe, and yeah, and hit the notification bell to get all my videos when I upload them. So yeah. So I'm gonna be quiet for now so you guys can hear me do some ASMR. So let's go. Okay guys, this is the cereal milk slime. It's fairly sticky, like very sticky. And yeah, here's the cereal milk slime. So let's get on with the next slime. So now we have this unicorn poop slime. This is what the instant snow came in. If you guys want to see it, it's right here. This container. Right there. This will be gone in 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back. So here's the slime. Let's do the crackles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna be quiet for now so you guys can hear how satisfying this is. I'm like, so yeah, let's be quiet right now. Well, let's and forever alone, but that's as good as I could get out. So, boom. Get out. Put this container over there. So, let's do some ASMR. It's gonna get everywhere, but I'm gonna try it. Well, that was total fail. But yeah. Let's do some poking. Try to make a bubble. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, guys, did you see that? That was a success. A super duper one. You guys saw my face for a little tiny bit. But well, that's how I look, so I'll deal with it. I got born this way. These don't look like over there because that just don't. These just don't. It's just a mess right there. So, Oh, you guys can even see it. So here's the unicorn poo slime. But yeah, there's the unicorn poo. So let's get on to the next slime. Okay, here's the slime. This one I haven't dyed it. Wait, is this the cloud slime, guys? Is it? Yeah. Oh, guys, it's completely melted, as you could see. Let me reactivate it so you guys will see the process of me doing that. I need a popsicle stick. I need another popsicle stick because it's freaking cracked right there. You can see right there. Let's just throw it over there. Okay, it's reactivated, but it's not cloud slime anymore. There it is. What kind of... no. Oh god, it just got all over me. So guys, I won't be showing you this slime, but it's completely underactivated. Try to add a lot of that in there. Oh my god, guys, now the activator just spilled out of the container. So great. Oh, I just threw the trash. I just threw the tissue right in the trash. Doesn't have this great drizzle anymore. So I skipped it instant snow. This is my second to last slime. So deep. Oh, okay. I'm sorry if you guys can't see it. I just can't move it right now. But you can see those drizzles, can't you? I think you can. gonna edit this video right now and speed it up. So yeah. Okay guys, so I got this nice texture of slime, as you can see. You guys want me to do a face reveal? Well, you kind of already saw my face in one of the parts, but you didn't see the whole thing. So sexy. It has that nice drizzle, but it still needs a little bit more activator. So yeah. This is not store-bought slime, I promise guys. I made it as you can see, it's instant snow. I'll just drizzle it, and as you can see, it stains my hands. I could even mold with it. Look, there it is. Look, instant snow. You guys do not believe me. If you don't believe me, you guys are not true fans, but it's fine with me. Everybody has their own opinion. Guys, you see that part and you saw my whole face, so can you guys see my hand right now? I don't think so, but if that's yeah, so good. It's yes, yes, that's a good. Let's do some quad chops. Guys, I'm going to do a video on Christmas on TGSM vlogs. You guys don't know what it stands for. It's the Good Slime Maker. T is for the, G is for good, S is for slime, and then M is for maker. So, yay, brother. Okay, there's the cloud slime. We're gonna knead it a little bit, but let's throw that away. Let's knead it in the camera. I'm gonna be quiet and do some ASMR. If you guys could hear that background noise, it's my family, so sorry if it gets too loud. I'll cut out the video and pause it so you guys don't have to hear it, or you guys don't need to just not put the audio in. And I'm gonna have a new channel of TGSM Reacts. It's where I react to a video, but no face cam because I know how to do it, first of all, but I don't want to because it's just because personal reasons, but I will do a face reveal if this gets a lot of video likes. Let's move the camera a little. Oops, I just took a picture. You guys want to know, I'm going to be getting a camera on Christmas with a tripod so you guys can see my videos of ASMR. If you guys heard that big noise, it was my stepdad, and he was opening the fridge and just closed it, slammed it so hard. I'm in my room right now, and if you guys want to know what gender I am a boy, but I just like slime. It's like my favorite thing in the whole world. Well, except my family, because we are back. Sorry guys. Okay guys, I'm back. I just feel more Sorry for that part. But I just spilled out way too much activator and some instant snow. I just fell on top of the camera, so that's why it shook. I'm sorry. But I'm gonna do a slime restock today too. If this video gets over 20 or 50 views, and share this video too. But if this video gets over 20 views, I'll do a slime restock and a what is it called? What did I say before? Face reveal. My next video I do. So I can't even see. I'm sorry, guys. I don't think. Oh, I think this is it. Do drizzles. Ready, guys? Gonna drizzle. Oh no, that was just a total fail. Sorry if I'm quiet. It's just because I don't want to be way too loud. And if you guys, I'm gonna actually do another video tomorrow. Well, kind of tomorrow, but it's gonna be a 3 a.m. video. And yeah, I'm kind of scared for that. I'm gonna do ASMR at 3 a.m. Oh god, it just got all over my hands. I'm gonna get my kid or tissue in me. Okay, well, I spend like, oh my god, I spent a lot of time on this slime. Holy moly. Oh, this is gonna be a long video today because I have like a lot more slimes to do. So, yeah. So just put the slime away. Oh, there's that slime. It's gonna be called Grizzly Brownie. So yeah, you just need to that around in the kind of any video if you want me to do that, and make cloud slime if you guys want me to show you how to do that. So let's start the next slime. If you guys want to know where I got my ingredients, of like instant snow, and I got some of these little foam beads. This slime in here. I got it at Michael's. It's a good store where I get stuff off Michael's, and it's one of my best stores I go to. So here's this awesome foam slime. Let me put it in the camera so you guys can see it. Ready, set. I don't know how much money I put. I'll put over like 100, like way over 100. Sorry guys, I'm just like doing it. It's like singing. Because I'm gonna go live too on a live stream. I could. So I just barely signed up. Oh god, I got on my floor. Oh no, you guys could see my floor is actually not wood, but sadly it's not. But when I get all my chisels, right, and that's all my stuff, out, I could get wood floor. So if this next I could then slime with my wood floor. But let's go on to the ASMR. Ready, set, go. If you guys want me to do how to make any slime, just comment in the description of like what you want me to do, how to make cloud slime, fluffy. I already did fluffy, but my unicorn poo, my cloud slimes, or any of my crunchy slimes. I still have a lot of slimes I can mix in with them. And just how to make regular slime, even butter slime, because I know how to do that. It's super easy. These don't have any, some of them have names, but some of them don't. This one is, what should I call it? Cream? Whipped cream. Yeah, that's what I call it, because I have a slime cup here. Let me show you guys this one. It's right here. Didn't tell me the letters are back. Yep, the letters are backwards, so sorry. But it's, I'm going to go for the whipped cream slime. Let's see where it is. Whipped cream, watermelon, no. Whipped cream, nope, I don't have whipped cream or anything. Waffle cake, fancy whipped cream. That's super weird. Wait, maybe it's on the first page. No, but I'll add whipped cream on here, so. Oh no, Cool Whip. Oh, it's called Cool Whip. Sorry, let me go for it. I know I'm spending a lot of time. It's already 21 minutes in the video. Sorry. Whoops. Yeah. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool. 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 Sorry guys, I just like this song. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Cool Whip. Maybe this one could be pina colada. Or maybe this could be something else. Yeah, I just name it whipped cream. If you guys have suggested, whatever, however you say it, but suggested ideas say it in the comment, type it in the comment section down below, because I want to know what you think I should name all the slimes. Like this one I should name, but I already have that one named, but I don't have this one. Or this one a name. But yeah. You know what? You guys should just name all these slimes that I have right now. So let me get these out of here. Okay, I got it all out of here. If you guys like these, if you guys don't like these long videos, put a thumbs down if you guys like these videos, but if don't really put thumbs down in it, like in the chat, like in the comment section. But if you don't like long videos, I mean, if you like long videos, put a thumbs up in the chat. Oh, okay. So let me put this slime away and get to it, and put the slime away. There's that slime, and if you guys want to know where I'm gonna put the labels, I'm gonna put them right here of what the names are. That you guys can see right here. And if you guys want to know, I have glasses. I'll show you them right now. I'm gonna take them off and show you them. There are these cool transition, which means they're color changing, and yeah, if you guys just wanted to know if I had glasses or not, but for the next time. This one's kind of big, but this one's called Hot Cocoa, which, not Hot Cocoa, well, yeah, it's Hot Cocoa, but I love this slime. It was a slime smoothie I had. It was a slime fill at first, and I mixed all my slimes into it, so yeah. This slime can make very big bubbles, so let me just show you. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You guys saw that? That was know. There's a big bubble, but you guys couldn't see. Sorry. Oh, that was a really loud pop. But, yeah. Is that the last slime I have? No, I have a few putties. I don't know if I'll call them as slimes. But I might as well do them in the section. I might not. This one is hot cocoa slash chocolate milk. Chocolate milk is going to get taken out because I think it should be hot cocoa better. You guys didn't know, my first video was yesterday, but yeah. I made a video before this, but I couldn't pause it, so wait. Oh my freaking god, guys. There's a freaking little weird zombie that's like smushed. So let's do some ASMR. Let's do some ASMR again. Let's make a bubble with ASMR. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe to TGS and Slimy. If you haven't already, what is it called? Subscribe. It's free and it doesn't cost any money, of course, but yeah. And make sure to check out my socials in the description down below and like this video and share. Bye!